Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chicken salad sandwich using canned chicken. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have fresh bread and crisp vegetables. Next, prepare the canned chicken by draining it thoroughly and shredding it. Then, combine everything in a bowl, mixing until creamy. Finally, assemble your sandwich and enjoy this quick and easy meal. To begin, you will need 112. 5-ounce can of chicken breast packed in water. For the creamy base, have 1/2 cup of mayonnaise ready. You will also need 1 stalk of celery and 1/4 of a small red onion, both finely diced. Don't forget your favorite bread, fresh lettuce, and a ripe tomato for serving. Season with salt, black pepper, and a touch of paprika to taste. Start by thoroughly draining the canned chicken to remove all excess liquid, which prevents a watery salad. Transfer the chicken to a medium bowl and use a fork to shred it into small, uniform pieces. Next, add your finely diced 1/2 cup of celery and 1/4 cup of red onion to the bowl. Finally, mix in 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, stirring until all ingredients are well combined and creamy. Now for the best part, assembling your sandwich. Take 2 slices of your preferred bread and spread a generous amount of the chicken salad onto 1 slice. For added freshness and crunch, layer on some crisp lettuce and a slice of ripe tomato. Place the second slice of bread on top to complete your sandwich. Serve immediately to enjoy the optimal taste and texture of your homemade chicken salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.